fear, dismay, confusion is what I would describe the feeling of many women at this time in the country, particularly women in the rural communities, because most rural women earn their living on daily basis. They go to the market, they buy and sell, they go to their farms, they wait for harvest, and then they take their harvest to the market and then they sell. But these days, this is almost impossible. There are border lockdowns, their markets are closed, security personnel are deployed all over the place to ensure that people adhere to staying at home, social distancing, and all that. So it's definitely, and it's been pretty difficult for women economic situation at this time. I know that by the time this pandemic is over, a lot of women would have lost their capital, and then at that point I'm looking forward to what palliatives government would give to support women at this time.
Thank you, Bukola. And what are some potential solutions that can come out of this COVID-19 crisis, especially for women, and also the abilities for government to, support women in times of crises in the future?
One thing that is obvious and one thing that must happen after this pandemic is over is that government must look at the social incentives that we have in the country. So government must look at the infrastructures. We must look at our health system. It was shocking when I read recently that some government of officers said they did not know that the state of health facilities in such a horrible shape. But I think this is an high hope now for people that claim that they don't know and they're empowered. We hope that this is a wake up call for people in authority to appreciate and understand this. The way people are living in the country, the suffering is huge, the suffering is hard, the suffering is terrible.